Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best deadbolts in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying deadbolts. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Kwikset, SmartCode electronic deadbolt. Stands out for its efficient design, which doesn't require cutting any screw holes in the door. If you're seeking a reliable lock that won't break the bank, this one promises to be the best bang for your buck. Reliable option. Touchpad isn't quite as intuitive as that of the Schlage. At number 2. Samsung, Ezon keyless smart Universial deadbolt. Satisfied customers praise its super easy setup and sleek modern anodized finish. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but its dependable performance and easy installation offsets the initial cost. Durable and rugged. It has a lot of extras like a burglar alarm and fire detection sensor which you may not need. At number 1. Schlage, touchscreen deadbolt. A top choice for its user-friendly design and compatibility with numerous types of doors. Offers reliable security and protection, not to mention dependable performance over time. Premium performance. Setup instructions could be clearer. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.